Do you feel exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? Or find yourself getting dizzy just from standing up? You might think it's just stress, but your body could be trying to tell you something important. It could be anemia. Anemia happens when your body doesn't have enough healthy red blood cells or hemoglobin to carry oxygen efficiently. When your organs don't get enough oxygen, almost every part of your body can be affected. You may notice constant fatigue because your muscles and brain aren't getting the oxygen they need. Feeling dizzy or dealing with frequent headaches? That's another common sign. Simple activities like climbing stairs may leave you short of breath, and your heart may beat faster or even irregularly as it works harder to deliver oxygen throughout your body. Some people also develop pale skin, cold hands and feet, or even chest pain, especially if the anemia is severe. These symptoms can develop gradually, making them easy to ignore. But your body is asking for attention. The good news? Many cases of anemia are treatable once the cause is identified. A simple blood test can often provide the answers. If you're experiencing these symptoms, don't ignore them. Talk to your healthcare provider. Early diagnosis can make a big difference. Save this video to recognize the warning signs, share it with someone who may need it, and follow VitalWise for simple, science-backed health tips that help you stay informed and live healthier.